I just wanted to talk briefly about how consistency can make or break your website. I believe in consistency for your life. I believe it for your dreams. It's the key of success for me in my period of life, in my business, and in my personal life. I think the biggest problem with websites in today's day and age is that it doesn't really accurately reflect who we are as people or as businesses. Therefore, we don't see the results we want to have, right? So just briefly, it creates better user experience because people are going to understand your website better if there's a consistent way of navigating it. If there's a consistent way of doing stuff, people are going to flow better through your user journey. Also, if there's consistency, there's going to be better SEO ranking because it's easier to crawl and to index a consistent website that has consistent updates, that has a consistent way of navigation, rather than something that doesn't have like a good HTML structure or stuff like that. Also, if there's a good consistent branding, people are going to trust you better. And I think this is like the core of the dish, the meat. If you have a better consistent website, people are going to trust your brand and they're going to trust who you are, and that's going to make a huge difference in results because people are going to trust that you can deliver what you promise. And that's, I believe, the cornerstone of economics, of transactions. If I loan you some money, it's because I believe you can pay me back. If you don't believe me, or if I don't believe you, I'll probably not loan you money, or I'll probably not invest with you, or I'll probably not buy your products or services. So having a consistent website is so important when creating trust and credibility in who you are and that you can deliver what you promise. Hope everything is good. Hope we can create a stronger business together. And yeah, that's it.